guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and today I'm going to be trying a sleek, low ponytail, but the twist is I'm not going to be using a gel, which means I've definitely lost my mind because I've never tried to do this without a gel. I always felt like it was absolutely necessary, and y'all are just going to be along for the ride on this experiment because I really don't even know if it's going to work. But hopefully if you're watching this, it did work. I was successful, and then it becomes kind of like a tutorial. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to show you guys, this is what my type 4 not stretched hair looks like. I would not start trying to do this style on dry hair. I just absolutely would not do it. But I did want to show you guys my texture, my pattern, and how I'm still going to try, despite all the odds, I'm still gonna try to get this into a low, sleek ponytail. I'm going to go wet my hair, make sure that it is detangled so this process goes way smoother, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next steps. Okay, you guys, so I am back and my hair is in twists because I went ahead and detangled it in the shower, and I went ahead and I applied this leave-in. This is a very light leave-in, so I don't mind using other products on top of this. I don't feel like it's going to cause any flaking or anything like that. But this is what I use to detangle my hair and brush it out, because with this style, you really want to start on hair that is as detangled as you can possibly get it, so you can make the whole process of trying to sleek it down easier without getting any breakage, anything like that. Y'all, I'm nervous because I ain't never tried this before. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take down the first twist. Like I said, it is thoroughly detangled. So I'm gonna wet my hair some more first, especially the roots. And then I'm gonna go in with the High Porosity Leave-In Conditioner by Korea Botanicals. I'm gonna have it linked down below, but y'all know this is one of my faves. So one thing is, I feel like I'm gonna need a thick product to try to weigh my hair down as much as possible because I don't have the luxury of using gel. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my hair. So next, to get my hair really detangled, I'm gonna be going in with the Tangle Teaser and brushing it out. I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. Ryan Little. So I'm just gonna repeat the same process on the other side. All right, from here, I'm going to put the two pieces together, the detangled parts, wet it again, take the brush, see how smooth the roots got? So the next thing I'm gonna do is take this black castor oil and just apply this to add, well, basically to seal in the moisture and add shine. I'm gonna take the heavy duty hard bristle brush and brush my hair down. And now it's scrunchie time. I'm gonna keep my hair in a ponytail while I do the other sections of my hair, just to make sure it's laying flat while I get to the other parts of my hair. Like, what I don't want to happen is I'm over here doing the other parts and then this gets poofy and I have to keep going back and forth because that makes no sense. So this is the best way to keep your hair laid down while you tend to the other parts. I'm just gonna keep the process going. I decided to do a middle part. Wish me luck on that. Like, for real. my time brushing through it because I'm not trying to cause breakage. Now I'm just gonna add it to the ponytail. It's gonna become a part of the fam. So I'm already figuring the front is gonna be the hardest part to do because I gotta make this stuff look halfway decent. It'll be fine. Y'all see how it's starting to lay? Okay. Okay. Y'all see that? No gel there. Ain't no gel there. Let me stop before I get too excited and it still don't end up working out. But and it's shiny because of the oil. Okay, this is what I like to see. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side right here and try to get it laying as flat as possible. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Texture ID styling cream because I feel like some gotta give with these freaking edges. I know I said a little bit of the Texture ID styling cream, but I lied. You gonna need a whole lot if you want any chance of this hair slicking down. Okay, so kind of got it sleek. Now I'm just gonna take some wrapping paper because I feel like this is the only way I'm gonna lay this down, period. So I'm gonna take the wrapping paper. So now, I know you didn't think I was done. I'm gonna take my scarf and lay it some more.
Ryan Little.
And now I'm just gonna let this sit until it's dry so that it can set down, and then we're gonna see the final reveal and see how it actually ends up turning out. Not gonna lie, kind of nervous, but it's time for the reveal. Not bad at all. I'm not even upset. There's absolutely no gel in my hair. So on the list of things I did was definitely that, because I never would have thought I could even get this close. Wow. Well, there you go, guys. Apparently it is possible to get a no gel sleek ponytail. I like it, and my hair is so soft because, as you can imagine, there's no gel gas because I ain't used no gel. I like it. You guys, these are my final results. Ponytail popping, curls popping, hair sleek. You can't even tell that I didn't use no gel to do this, and that's just like unheard of on type 4 hair. Like, I was the biggest skeptic in the whole room, and look at me. It worked. That's why you just gotta try new things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you would go ahead and give this a try. Like, is it worth the go? Would you try it out? All that jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.